Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to keep Facebook friends list private. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, click on menu option. Scroll down, tap on settings. Scroll down, tap on this option. Okay, how can send you friend request? Just click this option is everyone. Tap on this option and back. Click on this option, then only me. Okay, tap on public and friends and only me, then save. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.